Welcome students. Today we are going to read lesson The Snake and the Mirror. Before we start this lesson, we first know about writer. Writer's name is Basir. He was born 1908 and died 1994. He is called Baipur Sultan. He is a humanist, freedom fighter, novelist and short story writer. He is liked by the critics and the common people. The Snake and the Mirror. In this, the writer tells us a story that he heard from a homeopathic doctor, and similarly, the story rotates around the two factors of the snake and the mirror. Moreover, in this story, a doctor reflects on a day in his youth when he was unmarried. The doctor reaches his compartment on a hot summer night, and then he persuades in deep thinking. In the center of it, the doctor had a sudden clash with a snake. As it drops on the doctor dropped into shock, but soon the snake saw its contemplation on a mirror and made a move towards it. It appears that the snake was also more eager in his reflection than the doctor. Accordingly, the doctor's life was saved. Now, my dear student, this is a story about a homeopathic doctor during his earlier job days. The narrator of this storytelling is the doctor himself. Where describes this story to some people. In this story, the doctor explains to us that he lived in a small and seedy rented room during that period. Also, the ties of the compartment were benefited by cables, which in turn were supported by the glare. Further, rats were gliding all over the room, and there was no electricity supply. Therefore, the room was in a horrible state. In the doctor's story, it was a hot summer season's night. The doctor reached back in his compartment after completing his dinner at a cafeteria. The room was dark, no electricity. The doctor made use of a kerosene lantern to lighten up this room. The doctor also took off his suit and shirt. There excited two windows in the room that were unlocked by him. After relaxing on a chair, the doctor took a medical book to glance at. On the table, there was a huge mirror and a lantern. Proper to the immense summer warmth, it was too heated for the doctor to take nap. So, he began to stare in the mirror and became forfeited in appreciating himself, while adoring himself a fondness appeared in him to look more presentable deliberately. There was a movement of his thoughts from self-admiration to forthcoming marriage. The doctor was thinking of marrying a rich and beautiful daughter. The doctor did not spend great scrutiny on the immediate silence, and the scampering from the rats appeared to break. Then there was a sound of something plunging, but the doctor was slow to respond. By the moment he had a peek, there was a snake wiggling on the back of the chair. Quickly, the snake twined on the left arm of the doctor. The snake, excited barely inches away from his face. By witnessing that incident, he went into shock and became like a statue. At this time, the doctor felt the existence of the god. It looks like that this snake stood like retribution from God to the doctor due to his being too aggressive. Immediately, he understood that he should not be so arrogant and mean. Snake and the Mirror summary is the real story of the doctor and realization of his true worth after the snake left the doctor and further moved towards the mirror. The doctor silently ran from there and saved his life After this, everyone just loved the Snake and the Mirror story summary. And further, the short summary of the Snake and the Mirror, he lastly concluded that his narrative and many people were interested to ask him more questions related to the incident. Okay, now here the mirror fully highlighted the fact that someone should not be so much proud of oneself because of whatever God has gifted to them. Without any support, you are nothing. The time he realized that God has recalled the snake who just left without hurting or biting. Now, this story teaches how to not to be so much overconfident about something because everything we have is by His grace. So every time you don't need to show off it. You must know that overconfidence and proudness sometimes lead to the deformation of success. The same thing happens in this story. The doctor was very over proud of his achievements that he became arrogant and overconfident, which leads to the bad thing. After the snake incident happens to him, he realized the true importance of his life and also realized how badly he was behaving because he was having everything. Just when he realizes everything, he decides not to be ignorant at all and will just live life with happiness without being over proud. Sometimes in life, after getting success, some people just forget about everything and want to enjoy success only, then sometimes behave arrogantly and aggressive in success. But they must understand the real meaning of success is not behaving arrogantly but sharing your happiness and success with everyone. Snake and the Mirror is the prime example of how not to be overconfident whenever you have everything. Just try to be good and make happy others with your best. Thank you.